Hey, what's up, Theta network holders? So this is very important for every Theta network holder to understand to Theta has gone up in upcoming days or gone down. Absolutely, Theta network is one of the fastest cryptocurrency. I research very personally, very for Theta network. I see news, Twitter, on Google, everywhere. A lot of Theta network holders tell me to I think Theta network is going up, but especially the Theta network personally announced this to Theta network is upcoming days going very fastly up, and I think this is the target as very high, 15 US dollar as the target. Oh my goodness, can you believe this? 15,000 US dollar as the target. So 50 this time, 13.9. I think this is 14 as hit it now and just today or tomorrow. But the 15,000 and this week, can you believe it? This is possible. What's my expectation? What's my prediction? My prediction, as I tell you in this video, my friend. But before I get started, I request you to please, first of all, you watch this time the last 24-hour chart, because the last 24-hour chart is very expected, very important for everyone. They are incredible, very goodness. So let's see the last 24-hour. Please, if you agree with me, then please like this video and also subscribe our YouTube channel. Oh my goodness, absolutely, I am right. I think you can see here this time they're going up like a rocket. Oh my god, Theta network as incredible moving up, my friend. They going up like a rocket and the moon. And after a very bad dump, they take a very high jump. In the last previous 7 days, they gone very badly down, my friends. But Theta network high target, you can see here this time only hit it, but again they can hit at 15 US dollar. Oh my goodness, absolutely they can hit it. So the Theta network, as said rightly, because this time you can see here they're going absolutely hit at 15 US dollar. So my friend, my prediction is very good. You can see here my prediction as to they are going up in upcoming days. Absolutely, they're going up like a rocket, because I search personally very high. So please hold it, because they give you a very good profit. And upcoming days, you can see here 10.45% change occur. Oh my goodness, this is incredible, friends. They are going up in upcoming days, so please hold it and make a good profit. They give you a very good profit in upcoming days. So hope you understand, friends. Please invest. And this is not a financial advice video. Please understand, I just advise you to please invest and make a good profit. Otherwise, you research personally. Thanks for watching. If you agree with me to this is good time to holding, please like this video. If you said this is holding time, then like this video. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.